Hello and welcome. The purpose of this video is to teach you how to successfully join and run a Google Meet as a substitute at our school. Once you've successfully joined a teacher's Google Classroom, you'll notice in their banner that they have a Meet link. To join the Meet, simply click on that link. Once you click on that link, you'll be directed to this screen where you'll be given a few options. The first is to mute your microphone, then turn off your camera, and the final option is to blur your background. We recommend that you keep your mic on and your camera on so the students can see and hear you. Then you simply click the Join Now button. The first pop-up you can ignore by clicking on the X. Once in, you'll see yourself on the screen. To see other students, simply click on the grid view icon at the top right. The few buttons at the top all have a purpose. The first icon is to show the participants in the meeting. This is where it will be shown in list view everyone who has joined the meeting. The second icon is the chat box. This is where anyone in the Meet can send messages, either questions or comments about the content. The third icon will not be used as often, but where you could take polls or have a Q&A session for the students in the classroom. The last few icons that you'll need to notice are at the bottom. Again, you can mute your mic, turn on and off your camera, and to the right you can turn on closed captions to better understand those who speak in the Meet. The final one is the Present Now. This may be important if you desire students to see what's on your screen. You simply click the Present Now icon, click on your entire screen, click on the screen that you are going to be sharing, and then click the Share button. Once this takes place, students will be able to see anything that's on your screen. To stop sharing, simply click the Stop Sharing button. The last piece that you'll need to know about are the three buttons at the bottom right. This provides you with more options if they are needed. A few that you might need to use or want to use are to change the layout, turn on or off your background blur, and again, you can turn on the captions if you need here. Hopefully this video helps you navigate how to successfully run a Google Meet as a substitute. And again, we thank you for your time at our school.